Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Locksmith Tools is probably one of the most essential investments a homeowner or business owner can make, offering peace of mind and the ability to regain access when keys are lost or misplaced, ensuring security and convenience in unexpected situations. Number 5. DEWALT D18000 4-Door Lock Installation Kit. Introducing the DEWALT Door Lock Installation Kit, designed for a hassle-free setup. Its innovative C-clamp design ensures secure, tool-free clamping without damaging your doors. Achieve perfect alignment every time. The integrated alignment window and taller bushings guide your drilling for accurate height placement and straight holes. This kit is built for convenience. It features 2 adjustable bushings that accommodate standard backsets and common door thicknesses, fitting most locks currently in use. Whether you're working with metal or wood doors, this hole saw kit delivers exceptional performance. It's designed to handle a variety of materials with ease. Included is a robust 218-inch hole saw made from durable M3 steel, along with a matching drill bit. You'll also find reinforced backing plates to prevent warping. The reinforced backing plates not only ensure stability during use but also aid in simple and quick disassembly from the mandrel after the job is done. What we like. This kit offers a unique C-clamp design that allows for tool-free clamping without damaging the door's surface. If you're looking for a hassle-free installation that ensures precise hole placement, especially for metal or wood doors, this is the tool for you. It's ideal for DIYers and professionals who value ease of use and a clean finish. What people say. The set includes a variety of picks and tension wrenches, covering most common lock types. The tools are made of durable stainless steel, ensuring longevity and resistance to bending. Each tool is ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during use. Number 4. Schlage Z-Wave Connect Camelot Touchscreen Deadbolt B469 CAM 619. Meet the Schlage Z-Wave Connect Camelot Touchscreen Deadbolt. It offers advanced security and smart home integration for your peace of mind. This deadbolt seamlessly connects to your Z-Wave home automation system. You can easily lock or unlock your door remotely using your smartphone or the web. Enjoy the convenience of voice control with Alexa. Simply use voice commands to manage your door lock, provided you have a compatible hub. It features a durable touchscreen keypad and a built-in alarm with 3 alert settings for added security. This deadbolt is built to the highest residential security standards. Manage access for family and guests with up to 30 personalized user codes. You can easily add or delete codes as needed. The satin nickel finish and resistive touchscreen with a matte surface resist fingerprints and smudges, maintaining a clean look. It's designed to fit standard doors and is battery operated. What we like. Experience smart home convenience with Z-Wave technology, allowing remote lock and unlock capabilities. If you desire enhanced security with customizable user codes and an integrated alarm system, this deadbolt is an excellent choice. It's perfect for homeowners who want to integrate their door lock with their existing smart home setup and manage access remotely. What people say. This set includes a variety of picks and tension wrenches, covering most common lock types. The tools are made of durable stainless steel, ensuring longevity and resistance to bending. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, allowing for precise manipulation of the pins. Number 3. 81467 Cylinder Removal Tool. This is the 81467 Cylinder Removal Tool. It is designed for efficient cylinder removal. Removing cylinders has never been easier. This tool ensures a smooth and quick process. Crafted with precision, it guarantees a perfect fit for your needs. Experience its reliable performance. Built to last, this tool is your dependable partner for any cylinder removal task. It offers long-term value. Streamline your operations with this essential tool. It makes a complex job simple and efficient. Join professionals who trust this tool for its effectiveness. It's the smart choice for demanding jobs. What we like. This specialized tool is designed for the efficient removal of lock cylinders. If you're a locksmith or a security professional who frequently needs to service or replace lock cylinders, this tool will save you significant time and effort. It's the go-to solution for a specific, yet crucial, locksmithing task. What people say. The tension wrench is very sturdy and well-made, allowing for precise control when picking locks. This set includes a variety of picks that are suitable for different types of locks, making it versatile for various locksmithing tasks. The tools are ergonomically designed, which makes them comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. Number 2. Kwikset 200-piece Professional Rekey Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to rekey your locks. No additional purchases are necessary to get the job done right. It includes a vast assortment of master, bottom, and top pins, along with springs, covers, and caps. All parts are precision crafted for reliable performance. Whether you're a homeowner, landlord, or professional locksmith, this set is designed for ease of use. It ensures smooth lock operation for various needs. Experience faster rekeying with fewer mistakes. The precision-cut pins and professional tools minimize errors and prevent common lock issues. Everything is neatly organized in a sturdy case for easy access and protection. This makes it job-ready and efficient for repeated use. This kit comes complete with essential professional tools. You'll find a plug follower, spanner tool, pin tweezers, and more for a complete locksmith experience. What we like. This comprehensive rekeying kit provides everything you need for professional lock servicing, including a vast array of pins, springs, and specialized tools. If you're a landlord, property manager, or DIY enthusiast who needs to rekey multiple locks efficiently and accurately, this kit is an invaluable asset. Its organized nature ensures you can quickly find the right components for any job. What people say. This lock pick set is a great starter kit for anyone interested in learning lock picking. It includes a variety of picks and tension wrenches, which are essential for practicing different techniques. The quality of the picks in this set is surprisingly good for the price. They are made of durable metal and have a comfortable grip, making them easy to handle during practice. I was able to successfully pick several different types of locks with this set. The variety of tools provided allowed me to experiment and find the right pick for each lock. Number 1. KEEDEX K22 Lever Opening Tool. Gain quick and easy access to doors, even when locked from the inside. This tool is perfect for hotel operators or any situation where card locks fail. Built to last with high-quality alloy steel. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting performance and simple installation for repeated use. Featuring a sleek, polished finish and an L-shaped handle. Its ambidextrous design makes it comfortable and easy for anyone to use. This device is ideal for doors equipped with card locks, whether magnetic or proximity. It also works seamlessly with standard lever handles. Designed to be lightweight and compact, it fits easily in your pocket or toolkit. Always have it on hand when you need it most. What we like. Gain effortless access to doors with lever handles, especially useful for hotel operators or in situations where card locks malfunction. If you need a compact and durable tool to quickly bypass lever handles, this is an essential addition to your toolkit. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry for immediate use when needed. What people say. The variety of picks and tension wrenches included in this set is impressive, offering solutions for a wide range of lock types. Each tool feels sturdy and well-made, designed for durability and precise manipulation. The included practice locks are a fantastic addition for beginners to hone their skills before tackling real-world locks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.